today I'm going to be doing a review for 12-inch rain shower system. We're going to unbox this together to see what's inside and what's included. My brother is going to help me install it. Of course, we're going to test the product to see how well it works. I do want to mention that this item was gifted to me. Let's get to it.
You guys, I can't say enough good things about this G Promise 12-inch rain shower head combo. It completely transformed our shower experience and made every day feel like a spa day at home. Seriously, from the moment we unboxed it, everything felt great quality and thoughtfully designed. This shower set is definitely built to last. Everything is made from strong solid metal. It feels very sturdy and well constructed. The whole setup is rust resistant, which gives us peace of mind for a long time use. This was super easy to install. This was another big plus. My brother installed the entire system in under 15 minutes. The instructions were very clear and definitely easy to follow, and everything we needed came in the box already, so you don't need any special tools or plumbing skills. One of the smartest features is the combined diverter and extension arm. It's designed to be very easy to reach and use. No more awkward stretching to adjust water flow. The 12-inch gooseneck extension arm makes the shower head sit high enough for taller people like my brother, while still being adjustable enough for shorter family members or anyone with mobility issues. This design also reduces extra connection, so we don't worry about leaks. So the handheld shower has 9 functions, including a powerful pressure wash mode, which is so great for cleaning the shower walls or the floor of the shower, and a pause mode to save water while, shampooing or shaving. So the fixed shower head has 6 functions, and it's perfect for a relaxing rainfall experience or targeted massage on the shoulders and neck. Switching between functions is so easy and can be done with just a simple turn of the dial. The diverter gives you the flexibility to switch between using the rain shower, the handheld shower, or both at the same time. Just keep in mind that using both heads at once may slightly reduce the water pressure, which is expected. Once installed, it looks modern and stylish, and it instantly elevated the look of our bathroom. It's not just pretty, it's super functional for every member of the family. The handheld sprayer is great for kids and pets also. Overall, if you want a shower head combo that looks amazing, it works beautiful, and gives you options for every kind of shower need, this is the one. It's perfect for families, so easy to install, and definitely built to last. I would definitely highly recommend it to anyone looking for a new shower head combo.